Did you know that you can control one of the biggest threats to heart health with what you put on your plate? In today's video, we're not only going to reveal 7 powerful foods that fight bad cholesterol, but pay special attention to the 4th food on our list. This surprising ingredient offers benefits that go beyond what you might imagine. Stay with us because the secret we're going to unveil about this food will completely change the way you take care of yourself. First food, oats. We kick off our list of cholesterol-fighting foods with a health classic, oats. This simple cereal has superpowers when it comes to your cardiovascular health, thanks to its rich concentration of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that plays a key role in reducing cholesterol absorption into your bloodstream. Regular consumption of oats can help lower levels of LDL, known as bad cholesterol, which, if elevated, increases the risk of heart disease. The beauty of oats lies in their versatility. They can be enjoyed as a warm porridge on cold mornings, mixed with fruits and nuts for a nutritious breakfast, or incorporated into your favorite baking recipes. Oats go beyond being heart-healthy, loaded with nutrients like protein, fiber, magnesium, and zinc, which elevate your health to another level. Starting your day with oats not only satisfies, but propels you towards a healthier lifestyle. So next time you think about breakfast or a snack, remember that oats are your great ally on the journey to an exceptionally healthy heart. Second food, nuts. Nuts are a true nutritional powerhouse, filled with benefits that transcend ordinary cardiovascular well-being. They are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for reducing LDL cholesterol and maintaining a healthy heart. Nuts are widely recognized for their richness in omega-3 fatty acids, which lower bad cholesterol. However, what many do not know is that these little dry fruits have a unique composition of antioxidants, including the rare vitamin E in the form of gamma-tocopherol, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties and is particularly effective in protecting against heart disease. Nuts are also a rich source of ellagic acid, a powerful phytonutrient that protects against cellular damage and cancer. This compound not only helps neutralize toxic and carcinogenic substances, but also strengthens the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, enhancing the body's defense against various forms of cancer. Nutritionally, nuts are also rich in minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, essential for bone and muscle health, and help regulate blood pressure, which is vital for preventing hypertension. I believe you didn't know all these benefits that a single food has. I think I deserve your like for these valuable insights. Give me that gift. Third food, beans. This humble grain is a true hero when it comes to heart health and cholesterol management. These grains are a nutritional goldmine, rich in soluble fibers that help lower bad cholesterol by forming a gel in the digestive tract that captures and removes cholesterol before it can be absorbed. In addition to their cholesterol-lowering properties, beans are a great source of plant protein, making them a sustainable and nutritious food choice for everyone, especially those on vegetarian and vegan diets. Beans are also loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and promote better cellular health, aiding in the fight against aging and various diseases, including some types of cancer. They are especially beneficial for blood sugar control due to their low glycemic index, making them ideal for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable glucose levels. Lastly, beans are rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium, which are essential for energy and bone health and provide potassium, crucial for cardiovascular health. I believe this video is of high value to you, so here's your chance to act. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and become part of our community that's making healthier choices every day. And speaking of healthy choices, there are quick and all-natural ways to lower your cholesterol. And as a bonus to these tips, I'll leave a link in the first pinned comment to amazing exclusive tips that can transform your cardiovascular health with proven and safe methods. After learning with me in this video, click the link to learn more. Fourth food, avocado. Before revealing the surprising secret of avocado, I must say that it is a rich source of monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and increase the good. This significantly improves cardiovascular health. Avocados also stand out for their high potassium content, helping to regulate blood pressure, and are rich in fibers, which aid in digestion and promote satiety, supporting weight control. But the secret many do not know is that avocado contains a type of fat called beta-sitosterol, which has the power to regulate cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Beta-sitosterol competes with cortisol, helping to reduce cortisol activity when it is excessively high. Moreover, by helping to stabilize cortisol, avocado can contribute to reducing the harmful effects of chronic stress. This means that, in addition to taking care of your heart, Avocado also helps manage stress, which is a major villain for cardiovascular health. Fifth food, soy. This versatile ingredient is much more than just a simple alternative to animal protein. By consuming soy, you not only reduce bad cholesterol, but also help raise levels of good cholesterol thanks to its rich fibers and proteins. This results in a stronger cardiovascular system and less susceptibility to disease. It is rich in isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that protects against heart disease. Isoflavones in soy improve the elasticity of blood vessels, which facilitates blood circulation and reduces the risk of heart problems. In addition to taking care of your heart, soy also strengthens your bones. Rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health, soy is a smart choice to prevent osteoporosis, especially for women in postmenopause. Including soy in your diet is easy and delicious. Whether through a refreshing glass of soy milk, a hearty dish of tofu, or a quick snack of edamame, there are countless ways to enjoy this superfood and reap its benefits. Sixth food, garlic. This small but mighty ingredient is much more than just a simple spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your heart. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries not only for its unique flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which are responsible for its cholesterol-reducing effects, helping to prevent the formation of plaques in the arteries. What few know is that garlic has the ability to assist in the detoxification of heavy metals in the body, like lead and mercury. Sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, help reduce the levels of these metals in the blood and alleviate symptoms associated with their toxicity. In addition to taking care of your heart, garlic has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a strong ally of the immune system. It helps you fight colds, flu, and other infections, strengthening your natural defenses. It can be added to almost any dish, from soups and sauces to meats and vegetables, enriching each meal with its distinctive flavor and healthy properties. Seventh food, green tea. Known to be a health elixir, green tea is a powerful ally in the fight against bad cholesterol. Packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, green tea is powerful in reducing bad cholesterol. These antioxidants not only combat cholesterol, but also protect the arteries against the formation of plaques. It is known for its ability to improve brain function, boost metabolism, and aid in weight loss. Drinking green tea regularly can increase the efficiency of your metabolism, helping to burn fat more quickly. Furthermore, green tea is a great ally in fighting premature aging, thanks to its high antioxidant content that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals in the sun. This beverage not only keeps your heart healthy, but also leaves your skin radiant and youthful. Green tea contains L-theanine, a rare amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier to increase the activity of the neurotransmitter GABA, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Simultaneously, L-theanine raises dopamine levels and induces the production of alpha waves in the brain, improving concentration and mental clarity. This unique effect makes green tea an excellent option for those seeking a mental boost that maintains focus and calm throughout the day, without the side effects of highly caffeinated beverages. After learning about this list of the most powerful foods to naturally reduce bad cholesterol, thinking about a peaceful afternoon, I made a video listing the best teas to naturally reduce cholesterol. Click on this video to check out the full list. Until then, take care of yourself and keep your health at its best.